Hi guys! Today is Popcorn Lovers Day, and of course I had to make a popcorn recipe to fit this day. So because I already had a request for some salty popcorn options, I thought this is a perfect day to make that recipe. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I hope you're gonna like my 3 different salty popcorn flavors. Let's get started with the recipe. So all these 3 recipes are really simple and really quick to make, so you don't have to pre-make them before a movie night or before you want to serve them. You can just make them on the go. It's really fast. I use the popcorn kernels and then I pop them in a pot, but if you want, you can also use microwave popcorn. Just make sure that it has no flavoring so that you can add the flavoring to it yourself. And of course, I need to tell you my favorite. From these 3, I must say they're all absolutely delicious, and I did eat probably fairly same amount of each, but somehow the Dorito flavor seemed to be my favorite. So I would really like you to try all these 3 and let me know which one is your favorite. So today was all about salty popcorn flavors, but I have a video for sweet flavors as well, and I'm gonna link that for you here so you can have a look if you fancy some sweet popcorn. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.